Okay, so Anna, here is little Peanut, and that's where his little hiding spot is, and I'm going to throw down treats. Peanut, come here, baby. There he is, with my other Maltese, Mom and Dad. There's little Peanut. They love the treats called Caesar's Delight. And there he is. He's a happy little boy. And he hides underneath this footstool. Peanut, there he is. Ah. Hello, baby. Come here. You little stinker. Where? Oh, Peanut. I don't know where he went. He went hiding around here. He's a little scamper. There he is. You can see how small he is compared to the other dog. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. No, not the rest of you. Now there's a close-up of the little guy. And he's only just over 1 pound. And if you'd like to have him, he is available. And you can let me know.